Morning, people. Picked up a load today in Hotchkiss, Illinois. Going to DesMoines, Iowa. I'm here at the Iowa80 truck stop. They loaded me pretty quick, and it's about noon. Delivers tomorrow. So I figured, I've never been to this truck stop, so I came here to explore. And I may spend the night here, or I may just start heading to my delivery. They have overnight parking, so I don't know yet. But I'm gonna go check it out. Este lugar tiene todo tipo de accesorios para todos los camiones. Wow, está bien grande aquí. Damn, it's ridiculous the amount of accessories they got. I like this one. 40 bucks. Fuck that. Didn't need one of these.
Я шериф показываю, for sure. Я ему показываю, что на кули.
So buddy, handle said it's for Kenworth, but it looks exactly the same. Let me swap the plastic one for this one. But probably it fit, and it fit pretty good. Yep. I got one of these too. Let me see if I bought another one for that one because it's rusted. Let me see. Yep. I got this one too for this part. And some speaker covers that I haven't installed yet, but I'm gonna put them right now. And this cleaning stuff, I don't know if it works, maybe. So I got the one for the passenger seat. I can put her on right now. You know what I was thinking right now? I shouldn't have spent money in those. I was thinking about getting electrical windows. Well, at least for that side. Well, I guess I'll have a spare one. And that's the speaker cover. I'm not sure if I like it. I think I like the original one better. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to remove the Peterbilt logo, and I'm gonna put it here, and that way it'll probably look a lot better. I mean, it was easier than what I thought. And luckily I happen to have some glue. I think it looks much better now, so I'm gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes and then I'm gonna put it on. Unloading in DesMoines, Iowa. They should be done pretty quick. Oh, let me show you my speaker covers. I still gotta remove these little glue parts, but This is how it looks with the logo from the other speakers. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think. I didn't like the way it looked without it, but I like the way it looks with the logo. Ha, I better not get sued. But yeah, once I get unloaded, I'm gonna go to the truck stop. It's a couple blocks from here. It's on the way to the highway. I'm gonna put some fuel and take a shower, and then I'm gonna go to my pickup, and maybe they'll load me early, hopefully, and I'll be heading back to the Chicago area. Well, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.